We're gonna do stick a card.
I'm gonna pick that one.
Alright. You got it?
Yeah.
Take a card, I'm gonna put it right there. Transfer it upside that corner just like that. I'm gonna do shuffle. Now, with the power invested in me, I just forced your card to the top. Is that it?
No.
This wasn't it, so what I'm gonna do is I'll tell you to step on that 5 of heart. And I'm gonna grab that. Ordinary jack of hearts, so I'm just gonna give it a little swipe. Check your card. Is that it?
Yeah.
You don't need no setup for this. All you gotta do is tell your spectator to pick a card. Say they pick that, 7 of spades. When they put it back down, basically you just control it to the top. Rather if you wanna do a pass, a cut, double undercut, whatever you wanna do. Me, I just did a pat, boom, got it done. Put their card to the top. Then all you gotta do is distract them talking, but look them in their face and just get a double lift like that. Just lift it over like this, like it's just a card. They say no, you already knew that. You flip it, you tell them to step on it. They think that's the 10 of hearts or whatever your false card was. Then you just go a little fancy, whatever. You can just do 1 card, you can do 2. I choose 2. You tell them check it, they check it.
Oh my god.
And the stay card. You will get a lot of good reactions out of this because I did this trick at my grandma's house before. Had a lot of good things.